Hi, it's me Diksha Gupta and very welcome to my YouTube channel. So I was mm, very depressed person from the last 4 years, I can say, and uh, and each and every time anxiety hit me like anything. Why? What's what was the reason behind it? The only reason behind it was watching videos like nature harm hazards and disasters is coming and all those things. So when I was not mature enough to understand the thing that our country or anything didn't work on our mindset. Okay, our country didn't work on our mindset. The everything and anything, each and everything is responsible for whatever is happening currently in our country. If there is problem of climate, pollution, law and order, and civic sense, it's not just because of you. Okay, you can take your responsibility that wherever you are going, then don't throw up any plastics or something. But this thing gave me anxiety and depression like hell. I can't show you my um, situation when I was in real depression, and I used to watch videos of Thrugati. भाई मतलब क्या ही लेवल की मतलब एंग्जाइटी दे के चला जाता था बंदा कि ऐसा हो रहा है वैसा हो रहा है। मुझे नहीं पता, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू deal with this anxiety, but then I just uh, um, I just stopped watching their videos. um, फिर मैंने उसकी वीडियो देखना धीरे धीरे बंद कर दी, क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें जो वो बताता है कि ऐसे हुआ था, ये हो रहा है। और सोशल मीडिया पे ना मैं ऐसी ही चीज़ें देखने स्टार्ट कर दी थी कि जंगल कट रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स कट रहे हैं, आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग विद द थिंग। Okay, deforestation is the biggest, what I can say, we are giving the nature this biggest trauma by deforestation, and we are going to uh, you know um, we are going to see the that how nature will react. Okay, so I'm not denying with the thing that sorry for the background noise. I'm not denying with the thing that or the fact that everything is just going to destroy. I can say slowly, but yes. Deforestation, or we can say mining, illegal mining, or whatever is happening in the country currently, these all things give me anxiety. Okay, temperature is going higher, and 46, 45 degree. I don't know how to deal with it. Then I stop watching his videos, and then I start to understanding the things that why these all things happening. So the only thing is that whatever we will do with the nature, with our life, with anyone, with a thing also, they are going to react in positive or negative, in any way, but they are going to react on it. So that's the reason that if the temperature is going high, we are doing something. It's just result of that what humans are doing with the nature. Okay. If there is no law and order, there. So I was talking about the my depression or anxiety. So the thing is that these things literally was killing me inside, and then I slowly and steadily stopped watching videos like this, and I accept that yes, this earth is going to destroy one day, but just because this is going to be one day I can't just kill me today. Okay, I had to live with whatever it is. Okay, this summer 2026 summer was literally terrifying to me. I mean, the sun was the sun was on my face, like from the 8 a.m. to 6 or 7 p.m. I was feeling like, what, the sun is on my head? Is sun is on my head? But then I just ignore all the things, and I just take breathe and drink water, and I accept whatever it is. Then I stop watching Dhruv Rathi videos also, because he always talk about the problem. I don't know what to do with it, whether it's water pollution or rivers or whatever it is. I was literally dying with this thing that nature is going to die and there is no more nature which can help us to live better life. And yeah, so I just want to say with you all that if you are someone for whom the anxiety, the depression thing hits hard, hits, who feel too much disturbed by surroundings, by the environments, and lots of things hits hard. But it's not only you. You are not responsible for the nature, but yeah, we are responsible for the thing which we do. So I just want to say that, please, if you are too sensitive for the nature, then protect yourself and keep yourself busy in something else. Okay, and for this time, stopped watching videos like this. It's literally terrifying. It's literally killing me. अगर बारिश हो रही है, अगर बारिश नहीं हो रही है, if there are flood, if there are not any drop of rain, it's not only you. Okay, protect your mental health, because it's literally too, your mental health is much more important than anything else. So please protect yourself with these types of anxiety or depression, otherwise these are killing you and you are not going to focus on anything. So yeah, it was all about it, and so yeah, that's it. Bye.